My new video foodie title is, Ideas Tokyo's Top Spots for Warming Miso Soup Umami Uncovered. Tokyo's Top Spots for Warming Miso Soup Ideas Toyos Top Spots for Warming Miso Soup and Tokyo Hotspots for Umami Miso Soup is must-watch video for foodies and travelers alike. In this video, you'll discover the best places in Tokyo to enjoy a steaming bowl of comforting, umami-rich miso soup. From cozy neighborhood cafes to bustling food markets, you'll explore a range of settings and styles, each with their own unique take on this beloved Japanese dish. Whether you're a longtime miso soup fan or a newcomer to the cuisine, this video will take you on a mouth-watering journey through Tokyo's most delicious hotspots. Get ready to slurp and savor your way through the best miso soups the city has to offer. Umami Uncovered Tokyo's top spots for warming miso soup. If you travel Tokyo, must try this soup. Please like and subscribe my channel, link in my video description box.